Hey, today's video is not a how-to. Why is it not a how-to? I've never done this before, but I've seen like 100 people on YouTube do it. I'm so excited. I go into Publix. For those of you who are not in Florida, Publix is like the Kroger equivalent of the South, and they have picanha. I've got a 3 1/4 pound picanha. Yeah, I'm so excited. Now you can see the grain is running this way. It even kind of turns a little bit. I'm going to cut this guy today with the grain, and I'm going to cut couple inch pieces here. So we're not going to get that many pieces. That's just fine for what we're doing. Oh yeah, I am so excited. Now look, a lot of folks will cut these guys, or I'm sorry, a lot of folks will cook these guys whole and then slice them afterwards. And the reason that I'm doing it this way is I want to get char on all these sides. If it's all cooked like this, the only place I'm going to get char is here. So what we're going to do, look at that. I think I can eat all that. And then I've got one more here. It looks like the grain's changed on me a little bit. So I'm just going to slice it like so. Now, what are we going to do for the seasoning? I'm not going to do a darn thing. We're going to season this bad boy at the end. I'm going to use the ASMOKE today. I've got this guy set on the smoke setting. Get all this on here like so. You see I've got my probe here, temperature probe. I've been having it in here. You know, I always do that so we can cook off anything that might be on it. We're going to keep an eye on that one. Let's get the lid down. I'm using bourbon barrel pellets today. It's been 45 minutes. For those of you who like your steaks well, medium, you're thinking they're raw, right? I hope you can see that. I don't know how well it shows up. It says 109. Let me try to get it up here where you can see it. I'm sorry if you can't. 113. Some people have to cook this up to 120, 125. I definitely would not do that. I'm going to get this thermometer out. I'm going to get this beautiful picanha off here. What I'm going to do is crank this pellet grill up because we're going to sear it, right? So we'll just let this sit on the side. And now I'm going to turn this bad boy up. You see 350, 450, 475, 500 degrees. Let's get the lid down. See, we're almost up to 500 degrees. Look who's back.
Hello.
After much disappearance, she's back. We're just going to put a little salt on these. Remember before I said we were going to season them at the end? This is that big flaky sea salt. I hope you can hear us okay. Oh, by the way, we only have one mic. It started raining. Say
hello.
Hi. It started raining. We're trying to get this done. Going to put a little cracked black pepper And now it's time to try it. You ready?
I'm very ready.
Picanha. It's my first time. I mean, we already said that. See, so the grain's running this way. We want to cut against the grain. Oh, look at that in the middle.
That looks really yummy.
Medium rare all the way. Let me cut her. But you can see how hot it is, even though it's been resting here 10, 15 minutes. I'm trying not to hit my knife blade on this slate so it doesn't dull it.
Yum.
You want to grab that one? Do you want some chimichurri for it?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let me, here.
I was going to put it on that side.
You're going to put it in the bowl.
I'm very klutzy.
You can see that. Look at that beautiful color. Right what we were wanting for. It's right, what would you say? Medium rare to rare. It's not rare, but it's a little bit.
Yeah, it's medium rare.
Yeah. Let's give it a try. Is that the picanha dance?
It's so good.
Full up beef flavor, huh? Tender.
It's really, really good.
Oh my gosh, first time.
Delicious.
That chimichurri is good.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a bite already?
Yeah, I took it.
I hope you can see that. We got a delicious looking medium rare on there.
So good.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Again, thanks for the ASMOKE people for sending me out this portable pellet grill. We really appreciate it. Hope you have an awesome week.
Yum. Try it.